Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Zilliqa, my price prediction and chart analysis for Zilliqa for the month of April. So if you're curious of what price level should you buy at and what price level should you sell at, and should you buy Zilliqa for the month of April, then I will answer your questions in this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purpose only. So when it comes to making money in crypto, you need to do two simple things. You need chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high. And you need risk management, which is a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. And if this sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain it to you in this video. So here I am on Zilliqa's chart, and we always want to look at the daily chart because the daily chart gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to. And as always, we don't want to buy the high. There's people that bought here and then how the price dipped 48%. So it causes people to FOMO for them to buy high and sell low. Then again, price is here. Then it dipped 47% and etc. So we want to, what we want to do is draw our chart pattern so we know where to buy low and sell high. And so what do I see? I see a rising wedge. So whenever we're drawing a chart pattern, we want the line to touch at least twice. So you see how line touched once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Awesome. And for those who don't know, support is a price level where people think the price is cheap, so they step in and buy. See how the price touched here, then it bounced 200%. How the price touches here again, then it bounced 155%, etc., etc. And then here's the top part. It's called resistance, and the price touches. All right, touches at least 3 times. All right, awesome. So for those who don't know, resistant is a price level where people think the price is too expensive and they step in to sell. See how the price touches. See how the price touches here, the resistant, then it dropped 46%. Then see how the price touches this resistant line, then it dropped 37%. So the resistant line is the price level where people think it's too expensive, so they sell. All right, so here it is. Pardon me. Here it is. Where's the wedge? All right, here's the here's the wedge. So wouldn't you say that here is the wedge? Right, it looks like a rising wedge to you. Yeah. So what happens usually during a rising wedge is that price squeezes in this wedge, and then it usually breaks down like this. Yeah. I'm sorry to be a bearer of bad news, but that's what usually happens with a rising wedge. So the underlying psychology behind a rising wedge is that price squeezes within this wedge where there's less and less people who are willing to buy high. You see how people are willing to step in and buy high here, and then price bounces. And then people are willing to step in here, price bounces. But the price is bouncing less higher. So what usually happens is that price will go in, it will squeeze, and then it will drop like this. It breaks the trend line, and this is where people say, "Uh-oh, sell your coins and run for your life." So it breaks down, one really nasty break. All right. So, but however, if the market is bullish, and then the price could break up to the upside like this. Okay, so let's look at the bullish case. Say the price breaks up with a big strong candle, and it breaks out of resistance. And this is very significant because if it breaks out with a big strong candle, then it means the market has shown to you that it is bullish. See how the price touches here, then it got shut down. Price touches, then it got shut down. If the price breaks out with a big strong candle, that means that the market is bullish and it wants to go up. So what usually happens is that you wait for the market to break out, and then it dips down like this, and then you enter with risk management. And risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. And if the price does break out, my price target would be 50 cent, 52 cent. Yeah. All right. So you enter the trade with $5,000, just as an example, and the price has broken out. You enter the trade with $5,000, and you hold with strong hands. You enter here, and the price goes up and up and up to 50 cent. Then you would have made 79% of that $5,000. However, if the price breaks down and hits your stop loss, then you'll be out of the trade, and then you will lose 7%. You see, you have the potential to gain 79% but lose 7%. This is how you trade with a mathematical edge, and this is how you gain money over the long run. You have to plan your trade. However, I think there is more. This chart pattern is more bearish than it is bullish, so most likely it will break down like this. But you have to watch the chart. Most likely it will break down like this. Yeah, it will be a nasty break. It's best if you watch the chart and see what the market wants to do. You can't predict what the market does, but you can react. So if price breaks down like this, if the price breaks down like this, then I'll just short the market. And if the price breaks out like this, then I will enter, I'll buy, and I'll long the market. Anyways, friend, you see how technical analysis is a skill set that benefits you for life? And you see how when you draw your chart pattern, you know where to buy low and sell high. And when you use risk management, you gain more money than you lose. So trading is a skill set that benefits you for life. And if you have liked the way how I have explained technical analysis, then you definitely like my premium Telegram group where I'll help you become a smart investor and trader. So when you join the group, I'll share with you a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and you get access to my trading course so you can learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. You can message me on Telegram. Here's my username ID. There's 71 of us. So you come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's really fun. And on the video description, it's also my Telegram address, so you can click here and chat with me. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you make lots and lots of money during this bull run. I do hope that you trade using chart pattern, and I do hope that you use risk management, especially stop loss, so you make more money than you lose. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.